Have you ever wondered what would happen if two galaxies merged into one? Well, in about 4.1 billion years from now, we'll find out. Because the Andromeda Galaxy is racing towards us at 68 miles per second. And in 4.1 billion years, it'll merge with our very own Milky Way galaxy. The two galaxies will combine to create a new galaxy. Scientists are calling it the Milkomeda Galaxy. But the merging of these two great cosmic giants has already begun. You see, the Andromeda Galactic Halo and the Milky Way Galactic Halo are already bumping into each other. Stars in the halos of both galaxies are beginning to form a ring around the center of the future Milkomeda Galaxy. You might think that 4 billion years is a long time from now. But trust me, in terms of the universe, that's just around the corner. So what will this new galaxy look like? Well, since the Andromeda Galaxy is almost twice the size of our Milky Way, the new galaxy will probably look a lot like Andromeda. It'll be a spiral galaxy with a large bulge in the middle and maybe even a large black hole at its center. There are billions of stars in the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies combined, and most of those stars will survive the merging process intact. Some stars, however, will be flung out into deep space. Others will actually crash into each other and explode. But don't worry, in the grand scheme of things, the Earth of the people will not be around to witness this great cosmic creation. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will expand and engulf the Earth. So we may never know the true scale of this event, but scientists are pretty sure that this is what will happen. So rest in pieces, Earth. You will live on in the great beyond. Your people will become one with the universe, and all that remains will be the memory of the great galaxy that once was. And here's a bonus fact. NASA's given the possible name for the new galaxy. Drumroll please, M33. What a creative name. NASA's really outdone itself this time. Well, there you have it. Two galaxies merging into one. It's a rare event that we're lucky enough to witness. Thanks for watching.